What's up, guys, and welcome back to Cook Up Entertainment. So, something interesting happened yesterday at the Meiwa trial. Moses Sibiya launched a direct attack on state witness Colonel Hadebe regarding the alleged notes that were taken down, during the pointing out process. So, Moses Sibiya claimed, that Hadebe spoke to him, explaining his rights and documenting the process, but the officer never asked him to sign any notes, to confirm the documentation was taking place. So this procedural gap, it highlighted, a significant failure, on the part of Colonel Hadebe to properly authenticate, the entire recording process, So if this can be proved by Muzivia, it can significantly compromise, the evidence of Advocate Paloi and Kininda. So the way Muzivia was speaking, I picked up one thing, and it came out to me that the way Sivia was speaking, he was sort of like escalating the issue from just a mere lack of signature to outright fabrication. That is what I just saw there. Because the challenge is that Colonel Hadebe himself, he didn't produce any of these notes in court when he gave his testimony. So what is interesting, is that if Judge Rata finds out, that what Muzivia is asserting or saying here is credible, then this evidence by Colonel Hadebe could be totally excluded. So this is something really huge, because the entire credibility of this case, it rests, on documentation being genuine. And Moses Sevilla is out here, directly undermining that very same foundation that is needed. So he is making, this documentation to look like, to appear as if it is meant to fit a narrative rather than a record of a free and voluntary act. So that was Muzivia, going head to head with that evidence of Colonel Hadebe. So you can see that this is an exciting back and forth here. But what is interesting, is that they can even prove this, They can even subpoena Colonel Hadebe to come, and say, show us the notes. Where is the signature? There is no signature here. So if that is done, then Musibe is proved correct. And the points on this battle, on this section, is going to be won by Musibe. Obviously, it's a long marathon, it's a long way to go. But this one is an easy one to prove, Subpoena Colonel Hadebe, show us the notes, show us the signature, no signature, points to Moses Sevilla. I'll catch you guys on the next one.